Once you have established that they are, move upwards on the head form and take your next section. As we have done in the past, it is important that we don't release too much hair in this section and make the section too deep, keeping your hair evenly damp throughout the haircut. Taking another section in the centre of the head, looking for our guide from the previously cut under section, projecting at 45 degrees and remove your length. We have again returned to using a mobile guide for this section of hair. We will take a partial section of the previously cut section with a 1 cm section of hair, project the hair 45 degrees from the head form, removing your length. Once again, it is important for your body position to be directly behind the section of hair you are cutting. We are currently cutting the hair that sits below the crest area of the head. When cutting graduated structures, we do not project above the crest area of the head. This section we are cutting now will be our final mobile section. We will take our next section, 1 cm in depth, and we will be dragging it back to our tendon area and to a stationary guide. Ensure that you are taking the hair back to the same position each time. To ensure that you are dragging the hair back to the same position each time, stand directly behind the tendon area of the head and drag the hair to you. As you can see here, we are creating a forward diagonal length increase towards the face by dragging the hair back to the tendon. We will now continue the same cutting procedure on this side of the back of the head. This will be your last mobile section. From here, you will be dragging the sections back to the tendon. As you can see, the further we progress through the haircut, the stronger the line of inclination in our graduated structure. We are now releasing the final section that sits just under the crest. The crest is the widest part of the head and separates the exterior from the interior. In graduation, we do not project the hair past the crest area of the head. You are still working in this section with a mobile guide. Taking a 1 cm section at a time, drag the hair back to the stationary guide using a 45-degree angle, remove the length. Your stationary guide should always appear solid. If it appears shattered or uneven, you are most likely not maintaining the original guideline position or the projection angle. Through the following sections, you will again be working with a mobile guide. You have again reached the tendon area of the hair where you are required to drag the hair back to the tendon muscle. Ensure that your body position remains directly behind the tendon muscle and that your guideline appears solid. When you have completed cutting this section, it is important to check the lengths. Drag the hair into the centre of the head and check that they are even.